Hello, good evening. I am Chandan Kumar Jha. I am a biology tutor and I have completed my graduation in zoology from Patliputra University and I am teaching biology since last 4 years. Thank you for giving me the opportunity for presenting your demo about the topics and I am going to teach the here topic cell. So basically what is cell? Firstly we know about the cell. In human body or all the living organism on this earth, as we know that, are made up of cells. Every living organism on this earth, either they may be plant or either they may be animals, they are made up of cells. So basically cell is the basic unit. That's why we call cell as a basic unit of the life. So the first thing we know about the cell is the basic unit. The first point about cell is the basic unit. The next point, cell is also called as a structural and functional unit. The question arises here that why we call cell as a structural and functional unit. The cell is called a structural unit because all the structure of living organisms, either plant, fungi, animals, microorganisms, their structure, body structure are made up of cells. That's why we call cell as a structural unit. And the next one is basic unit, structure unit and function unit. As we know that in living organism all the functions are carried out by cells. When we go at the cell level, first we see that organ is working, but when we go at the molecular level, when we go at the lower level, we see that all the cells are functioning of that organs, and that's why we call cell also as a function unit. So basically these three are combined together and cell are called basic, structural and functional unit of life. As we know that the life of a living organism starts from a single cell. Either they may be single cell organism or the multicellular organism, their life arises from a single cell. That's why cell is the basic unit, cell is a structural unit and the cell is the function unit. As we know that there are many type of organisms and they are made up of cells, and basically all the organisms are made up of two types of cells. That's why we say that cell is of two types. One is prokaryotic and another one is eukaryotic. So one is prokaryotic and another one is eukaryotic. As we have divided all the living organisms on the basis of cell, on the basis of types of cell present in their body, is either if the type of cell is present in prokaryote cell, we call prokaryotic organism. The type of cell is eukaryote, we call them as eukaryotic organism. We know about the different types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, one by one. Firstly, we start the prokaryotic cells. What is prokaryotic cells? As we know that prokaryotic cell, here two words are used. One is pro and one is karyotic. These words are made from the two words. Pro means primitive. What does pro means? Pro means primitive. Primitive matlab the first or the which come at the earth first is called primitive. Another one is carrion word. Carrion word is used for generally nucleus. So here the meaning comes from this word is primitive types of nucleus. What does primitive type of nucleus mean is that those nucleus which are not bounded by a membranes, that are called primitive nucleus. So in prokaryotic organism, their nucleus are made up of primitive type of nucleus, and that is they are not bounded by a membrane. That's why they are prokaryotic organisms. That's why this type of cells are called prokaryotic cells. And the eukaryotic cells are called eukaryotic because eu means true. Eu means true. And carrion, here another carrion word from carrion. We have known that carrion means nucleus. U means true, and true nucleus means that the nucleus which is bounded by a membrane. That's why this type of organism are called eukaryotic organisms. Thank you.